yeah, that nigga shit. Ooh, that nigga shit right there. That nigga shit clean.
That's what happened when you wreck. In this game, it's so hard that niggas put you to the test. You wreck and don't come back right, it's like you fell off or something. And I ain't even the type of nigga that fall off. I fall on. Yeah, I fell, but today is exactly 4 weeks later. My shit back going. Don't even trip. And I'm clean again. I'm like my boy Charlie. I don't got one clean bike, I got two. And it's a gang of niggas with clean bikes. Baby Slap, Punchy, all my niggas. Everybody got a clean bike. I could not have a bike that's raggedy. Cause niggas should be so clean, man. These niggas just looking at screws on your bike when they like under shit. Niggas will bust your bag off and look like you ain't got no Allen right there, you kind of playing. So the game is so stepped up so hard. That's just what you gotta do right here. And your shit gotta be show and go. So that's how it go. You might as well jump up there and get all that, man.
Yeah. Get your man in the building. Big Cat Records, the Flower Entertainment. What's up? Yeah. Gonna kill him with this one. Where you at, Shadid? You should let him stand up.
I fuck with niggas that ride their bike in the house, so my shit gotta be clean.
Hey, back in my house. A lot of niggas don't open up wide enough to ride that shit in the house.
Ferraris, the Bentleys, speedboats and jet skis, Cristal and Don P, the Kush, the PT. True facts about me, bitch ask about me. Big cats around me, keep stacks around me. Big gats around me, the threats around me. Purple packs around me, no sacks around me. I smoke like Marley, my niggas were Harleys. I hurt your daughter feelings, Miss Jackson, I'm sorry.
Sometimes y'all gotta remember with this bike shit, you know, some people be taking a lot of this shit personal, and you gotta remember what you say is what you mean. So if it's time for that race, you gotta do it. And then I'm the type of nigga, if I win or lose, that's just how it is. You know, it's all in fun and games. So some of these dudes be taking it personal, and they be saying they gonna race and they not gonna race. Like, I know my shit ain't the fastest, and I know my shit ain't the cleanest. Like, I fuck with a gang of niggas shit who way cleaner than mine and way faster. I'm in a club that everybody in my club outshine me, and I ain't even, you know, I ain't mad about it. So you gotta remember, a lot of y'all dudes will be on this tape. If you say something, kind of stick to what you say. Keep your shit, you know, at 100, because y'all just don't be right sometimes, man. And we already supposed to do this shit for fun.
This motherfucker is off the motherfucking chain. Air brakes. Need to be on pimp my ride to the gas tank.
Next year it's gonna be all muscle cars. We're gonna be riding muscle cars to LA trying to race each other and shit.
You see that nigga where his ignition is?
Yep.
What?
Hey, let's finish this car right here.
Yeah.